Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if the fast charging feature isn't working with your Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G smartphone. First of all, let's open the settings and let's make sure that this feature is enabled on the smartphone, as by default it is disabled. But if you go to battery menu in settings, then select charging options and change wired charging mode to speed up, only then will you be able to start using the fast charging feature. Now, if this isn't helping you, then first check your cable and your charger for any visible damage or most importantly compatibility. So if you can try to use your original Redmi Note charger, so this one is the most compatible and the least harmful to your device's battery as well. Therefore, try either finding a compatible charging cable and charging block or adapter for your device, or just use an original one. Also, you can check your charging port for any debris or dirt inside of it, and if you want to clean it, use a soft brush. Do not use any metallic tools. Do not insert any metallic tools in the charging port. Use a soft brush and gently clean it of any debris or dirt that might be stuck there. Also, before trying to use fast charging once again, make sure that your device is updated to the latest software version. So go back to settings, go to about phone, go to your Xiaomi HyperOS, and make sure that you don't have any updates. If you do have updates, then of course download and install them on your smartphone, and then let it restart and try using fast charging once again. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.